Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Danny with XL Automation, and today we've got something special for you. I'm sitting down with Dei-Wei from Autonics, one of our favorite sensor manufacturers. Thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
Of course.
Appreciate it.
All right, so let's just jump right into it.
Yep.
First of all, how long have you been with the company?
I've been with the company 2 years now.
2 years? Okay.
Yeah.
And for those people who are watching who may not know,
Yeah.
how long has Autonics kind of been in the automation game?
Sure. Autonics has been established since 1977, and we were founded in the southern city called Busan in South Korea.
Okay.
And originally is under the name, Kuji Electronics. Actually, we serve as textile industry in the past. In 1984, we released our first Korean digital counter. 1989, we had our Autonics corporate established with R&D, and Autonics USA was established 2000. So we continue to provide automation products to industries across the world.
Wow, that is a lot of history behind that name. So what did you bring with us to show off today?
I brought one of the toughest sensors from Autonomous lineup. They are the PRFD-K Series.
Okay.
And then they are 40 metal, long distance proximity sensors.
Okay. Very cool, very cool. That thing just looks like a tank.
Yes.
What kind of applications can you get from this thing?
Sure, these are long range application industry sensors. They are factor 1 sensing for equal detection distance for iron, brass, aluminum, and high durability against different work pieces, wire brush. Two color indications for LEDs, like if you know the objects in the range or off the range, that you can see the light from the back of the sensors.
Okay. Yeah, and I think that stainless steel will probably be perfect in this situation for this as well.
Yes, and some of these sensors are good for automotives, either production line for framework or even welding. And speaking of welding, I have two additional sensors. They are PRFD-A series. They are coated with PTFE coating.
PTFE.
In the regular term, I think about Teflon for
Okay.
cookware, for my wok.
Okay, okay, perfect.
I can stir fry with these.
Okay. Makes it easy for the welding then.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely, absolutely. Oh my gosh, what kind of output are we getting on these sensors?
They have NPN, PNP output, but normally its default is normally open.
Normally open. Yeah, and that just kind of makes sense with
Yeah.
automation and everything.
Right.
So, could you get this as a normally closed setup?
You got a couple options. You can get a digital module or relay to invert the signal, right, to another series. Or you can choose another series for Autonics, like a PR or PRT series, that usually offer both normally open, normally closed options.
Nice. So let's talk connections. How do these things typically connect to a system?
These connect with the M12 connectors, with different what model, typically 4-pin.
Okay.
And the cable connector typically available from various models.
Okay, and once it's installed, what's the way to dial in the detection range?
Sure, super simple. They are factory calibrated.
Okay.
And another term saying is auto-tuned for standard ferrous and targets like that. And then if you install it, connect, it's good to go. For example, as a ferrous, we have a ferrous block right here. And you can see if it's in the range, it's green, lights up, it's out of the range. It's different LED indicators, and here's aluminum for testing purpose and for different type of indicators.
Very cool.
Yep.
Very cool. So we love a good a plug and play experience. You said it was kind of it auto tunes itself.
Correct.
Okay, so it's just like T-Pain.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So Autonics does have other things besides proximity sensors. Can you kind of explain what else you guys offer?
Sure. We also offer all type of different sensors, proximity sensors, full electric, ultrasonic, and so much more. And we have temperature controllers, motion devices, safety products, control switch, HMI touchscreens, and more. Actually, really is one-stop shop for manufacturing that Autonics can help out. It's pretty much everything you will need for a full automation setup.
Yeah, that's a massive lineup. And one more thing before we wrap up. I've heard that Autonics offers a pretty solid warranty program. Can you talk on that a little bit?
For sure. We offer 3 years standard warranty. It covers component failures, manufacturing defects, early life operation issues, but it's all part of our commitment to quality and customer support.
Okay, perfect, because I'm a bit of a klutz. Anyone who's seen past videos knows I'm basically just a human slapstick, so if I were to accidentally drop something, we're covered.
Yes, you can call me. I'm tech support for you.
Call you? All right, perfect. All right, Dave, well, thank you so much for showing up today and showing us the PRFD-K and the PRFD-A sensors for us. This thing really is just built like a tank. But it's always a pleasure having you. I love spending time with you.
Man. Thank you for having me here.
Of course.
Appreciate it.
Guys, if you want to learn anything else about Autonics or you need help choosing the right sensor for your system, you know where to find us. xlautomationinc.com. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next product deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Back to you in the studio.